All right, everybody. Let me get a type of 3 if you're in here. Got on here a little early today. Let's see who's on here, ladies and gentlemen. Type of 3 if you're in here. What's up, everybody? How's it going? Oh, we got Squirrel Mom and we got Amy and we got Paul. I'm streaming today from actually from my gym. I'm waiting for waiting for the old workout right now. But looking at the market right now, looks like we're definitely above the pink line, so I'm going to be looking for longs. And looks like actually we would have gotten triggered in right here. This could be an interesting trade. Maybe we'll take this. You know what I mean? Because we came up, I didn't trade the first hour. Kind of got a reset there. But then your 10 EMA entry would have been there. Reset here. You could have tried there. You'd still be in that trade. But the most recent one is right here. Okay? And entries there. So what I'm going to go ahead and do is I'm just going to pop over here to Tradeovate real quick. And before I get going on that, let me just log in here. 1 second, guys. Give me 2 seconds to log on in. Let me log in here. How's everyone's day going? Hold on. I'm logging into all my stuff right now, guys. How's everyone's day going? What are you guys looking at? Alright, I'm gonna log in to this. Boom. Logged in. I better hurry up if I want to take this trade, huh? I'll hurry. I just want to take it on my copy trader if I'm going to do it, you know? Okay. I'm on my copy trader. Make sure I'm on the right ticker. NQ. Cool. So, 28-point stop. Looks like I would have just gotten triggered in. So I'm going to go ahead and just mark it in to 3 of these.
Order filled.
Alright guys, so I'm in this trade right now. I've got a 27-point stop. Target 1.3. Let me just see what I'm risking here with one. I'm risking 540, which is a little low for me. I usually like to risk around 600, 650, sometimes even 750. But I'm in. I'm in on all 3 of my accounts. So let's see if we can get a win here. Sometimes I just get on and we take a trade right out the gate, guys. It's just how it goes, you know? All right. Mid-gym training, man. Mid-gym trading. Yeah, I'm in the lobby right now waiting for my personal trainer. I've got a session with him at, let's see. Real quick, let's take a look at ES. I want to see what that's doing as well. Okay, ES, you also got the trigger here, but I wouldn't have liked that as much because look at all those green candles in a row. Kind of gross. So if I was going to take that trade, I probably would have gotten in on right there. You know what I'm saying? So we'll see what we get here. In the meantime, let's take a look at everything else. Oil. Oil is below the pink line. So you have a potential trade here if you wanted to take that. Well, actually, hold on. The reset was here. Your entry would be here. So you could take oil as well, short, if you'd like. Because your entry would have been here, which is pretty much where we are right now. It's an interesting trade, maybe. I don't love this hammer, but that is a trade you could take. You do have this downward trend line going on, so that'd be kind of cool. Let's see what CL is trading for right now. CLX for or CLZ for? Let's see here. CLZ for. What's the most forward month contract? Let me see. CLX4 is the closest one. But I'm going to hold off on this for a second. Let's look at platinum. Platinum is below the pink line, so you'd have to wait on this. But potential short, something like that. Platinum the other day was moving real slow though, so I don't know that I really want to do that again. But right now we're in NQ. Let's see if we can bust up out of here. See if we can bust up out of here. If I put on a second NQ, I'd be risking 1,000, which I don't really want to do. I'll go ahead and put a stop right here at 23.93. So I'm going to go into Tradeovate and do that. So back to NQ. And I'm going to do a stop order, a sell stop. What was that at? It was at 23.93. I'm going to do 23.93. So 23.93. Stop sell. I'm just making sure I have this all good to go. Cool. So now I have that stop sell there. This is looking terrible so far. So I apologize if you got in this trade with me. These are not official trades. These are just kind of my trades. But we'll see what happens here. We might get a hammer out of here. Now remember guys, an important rule in Apex is if you're going to average down, you can only average down one time when it's going against you. So if I was going to add to this, right, because I mentioned earlier that this is actually only risking 565, and I like to risk around 650, 700. So if I did want to add, right, you can only add one time. That's a rule at Apex, okay? You can only add one time when you're in the red. If you're in the green, you can be adding as many times as you want, but they don't want to see you DCAing a bunch. So just something to keep in mind. Let's see here. Yes. Kind of look at a little double toppy on ES, which I don't love for NQ. So I'm going to go ahead and take my one ad here in a second. Oh dear.
Stop
wow.
filled.
Stopped immediately. Okay. So that did not work. At all. Let's go look at our other, good thing I didn't take oil either, wow. Let's go look at some of the other candidates we have here. So NQ kind of dropping here. I get one more try, so I'm down 1R on the day. Down 1R on the day. And technically I didn't really risk my full risk unit, so we'll call it down 0.8. Oof, NQ dropping hard right now. Okay. So, good thing to keep in mind. Let me look at my Microsoft. Microsoft's dropping. Everything's kind of dropping right now. So what I'm really looking for now, guys, is if we can come down here to VWAP and then get a bounce, that would look nice. Something like that. And I do believe maybe one of the reasons we're getting this right now is Fed minutes are at 2. Am I correct about that? So that might be what's causing this at the moment. But we'll hang out here. I'll hang out here for a little longer, see if we can get another trade set up. Let me click on over here to the news and see what we got. Fed minutes. Well, that's just bad luck, isn't it? Some of you don't trade during the Fed stuff. I mean, I don't. To me, a 10 EMA is a 10 EMA. I'm going to take it regardless. So if we get another setup, let's say we come back up now, right? Up to here, I'd be interested, but I might take it on MES and do a little, or MNQ and take a little wider entry. Oil pumping. Let's look at platinum. Let's look at gold. Gold below that too. Damn. This would be a really nice long, but I'm not going to do it. What else can we look at? Copper's fun to look at sometimes. Forget the ticker though for copper. CG? Can't remember. Alright, so we'll just wait 4 minutes here for the
Is that your truck?
That's it.
Oh, good. That's good. You got away from that wire.
Well,
It's a little loud in here, so I'm just turning down my mic while this is happening. No, they just don't like it when you... So, Apex doesn't like it when you do NQ... When you're trading NQ a bunch and you pass an account, or you get to a payout, and then you're like just trading like one MNQ. That's what they don't like. But if you're doing like equal sizing, it's fine. Like if you usually run like one NQ and then you go and do the 15 MNQs, to them that's still like good. All right, so we'll wait 3 minutes here. Let's see what the news gives us here. So I'd be looking for one of two things: it to come down here and do this, or for it to come up here and do that. So next trade is going to be one of those, something like this, or something like this, okay? Let's see here. One minute till the Fed minutes drop. So this was the trade I attempted to take and lost on. Didn't go full size, thankfully. And now we're waiting for Fed minutes to drop. Okay. Yeah, I'm making live trades. That was a live trade in Apex. Yeah. I lost 0.9R on that, unfortunately. But I'm going to try to get a 1.3 winner here in a second and walk out with 0.4 hours in the day. So we'll see if it gives it to us. It's 1 o'clock, 2 p.m. Eastern. Fed minutes should be out. Still haven't seen a lot of movement yet. I'll be right back, guys. I'm going to go use the restroom, okay? Okay, I'm back. So we're going to try this one more time if we get over this and I get the setup. Yeah, I'm in an Apex account right now. You can see right there my Apex account. Fed officials were divided on whether to cut rates by half a point in September minute show. Okay. They were divided, guys. Let's see what we're getting on ES here. Check out oil. Oil's ripping. PL. Well, PL might give us the setup. Keep an eye on that. Back to NQ. Okay. Looking for that setup. How's everyone's day going today? Anyone have any good trades yet? Looked like there was some pretty good action in the morning. I'm in this Microsoft swing. That's been pretty good in my normal account. It kind of did what I expected, so we pumped today and we got rejected off the 10, but I closed 2 of my calls here. I have 10 of the 420 December calls, and my target's somewhere up there, 424, 425-ish. So if we can get up to here, I'll probably make like $3,000, maybe 4, probably 3 though. So let's keep an eye on good old NQ here. See if we can get another setup. Okay, so we closed over the 10. If we get that bear candle closing over the 10, I will try another long. I get 2 trades. If I lose on the first one, I get 1 more. I'm down 0.9 R on the day. Actually, let's calculate exactly how much I'm down. So I lost 588. My R is 650. Yeah, 0.9. 0.9. So just waiting now for this next setup to come in. So on this next one, I'd probably do if this closes as a bear candle, I'd probably do a 20, let's see here. 2417. Just throw in trade of it. Hmm. 2417.50. All right, I have my order set. Just in case this wants to close as a bear candle, I'll set that up. Let's see if we get it. Let's see if this wants to close as a bear candle. Entry would be right above that. gonna be close. Will it close as a bare candle? 5 seconds. Nope, it closed green. So I gotta wait a little more here. Check PL. PL ripping. CL ripping. ES, did I get the setup? Nope, not yet. Just waiting, guys. So now the setup would be like this, which I actually love because my stock can be a little tighter. He's going to touch that resistance again before it pumps above, if it does. Yeah. You're saying up here? So that's good to know, right? That would be a good area to trim. If I have 2 NQs, which is what I'd open here, I could trim one of them here. So entry on this would be 24.1150. So let me just get that set up now. 24.1150.
But yeah, I can figure out these things in my life. If I was just buying a bundle with a package here, it's like my friend got one the other day that came with all the sticks that fit that so now better.
See if we get the bear candle here. Nope, bear candle did not close over the 10 yet. Still waiting. We'll cancel that. Nice and choppy. Didn't get it on ES either. So at this point now we have to wait at least 2 candles, you know what I mean? Because this has got to come out green and then we got to get the red. If you have multiple accounts you're copy trading, would you keep your R the same? Yes, I would. Yes, I would. All right. Just waiting here, guys.
Y'all want to open? Openers what, Friday? What? Friday? Tomorrow. You want? Yeah. Yeah. You said you're gonna try to go? Yeah, fuck that. You take it to it. I was gonna say you try.
I'm trying to decide which one I like better. NQ or ES.
I go to Titans on Sunday.
Did y'all figure out your seats yet?
No, man,
It's a tough one. I think I like NQ better. Alright, so if this sets up, we're gonna do something like this. Target 1.3. And we'll take one off there. So that's gonna be 24.11.75. So let me set that up. Stop would be 23.79.
Yeah. I'm gonna get the stars coming back around. Supposed to be one by the end.
Target would be 24.54.
Well, I mean, the dude is wants to make it
Cool.
possible so they can sell the student advertising.
I don't know.
It's a big, I mean, this thing's back.
It's big and
And I've got shutters up and sandbags.
We'll see if this wants to turn into a bear above the 10. We got a minute 30 on it. 24.12.
But I'm just gonna go down there. I got a neighbor there. I mean,
It's gonna be close.
yeah, Thursday night, so they go back. It's gonna go below. Right now, he keeps tracking north south. I'm gonna check right now. Yeah. But he keeps tracking north south.
Yeah, it looks like that news came out and it just kind of did a little, and now it's trying to make up its mind.
do you
40 seconds on this. See what ES is doing. ES is below it. I love watching candles form. It's so cool. Look at the 2 minute, the 1 minute. Okay, 7 seconds, 5 seconds. Let's see if it wants to close above. Nope, it doesn't. Okay, so we're still waiting. We're gonna cancel that. Oil could be setting up. Oil would be something like that. I wonder how many oil contracts I'd have to open for that. What's up, bro? Maybe two. 2 oils. If that sets out. So if you traded this morning, if I had traded this morning, I wouldn't have traded till 10:30. You get the reset, and then I would have entered here. Stop would have gone there, and that that would have missed me barely. That would have been a heartbreaker too. Really, the trade was in the morning, but I don't trade the first hour. I just don't. Keep our eye on CL. Okay. Took a PL. What up? I'm on a live stream right now. Do you still want to start at 1:30? Okay, cool. Yeah, it's gonna be like 10 minutes, and then we'll do it. All right, bro. PL is also setting up right now. So PL would be something like this. Do 4? No. 5? 8. 8. I'm gonna do 8 PLs if that sets up. Okay. NQ just still chopping around. ES looks like it wants to head down. CL still just hanging out. So PL right now is our best maybe setup. We're just gonna have to see though. So it looks like the news is saying they're still going to cut. They just don't know if they're going to cut a half point or a quarter point, which isn't really much news. Okay, PL does look like it's setting up. So I'm going to go ahead and figure out what this trade would be. .2 points. Is it still 8? No, it'd be 7 now. Okay. Woo, it's dropping. Little hammer on ES. I mean on NQ, not ES though. See if this comes up and sets me up. I only have 7 minutes before I have to go, guys, so I'm not sure if I'm gonna be able to get another trade in here. But you know, after my session, I'll probably take a trade into the close. Okay, getting a pump here. So if the next candle's red, if any of the next 2 candles are red over the 10, I can do a setup. PL. Okay. NQ closed over the 10, so I'm gonna keep an eye on that. That could be the setup right here. Okay. I would do just one. One, and I'm down to risk 750 because in the last trade I risked only like 550 or something like that, or 600. It was a little less, so okay. This could be if we get a bear candle here pretty soon, this could be a great setup on ink here because we are getting a breakout now. Let's look at PL. PL is also giving us a bull candle under the 10, so we'll keep an eye on that. Let's see what we get here. Oh yeah, NQ's pumping. This could be really good here in a second. But I need that bear candle to close over the 10. So hopefully something like that. ES also heading up, so that could be a setup. Something kind of like that. Which I like that because then I don't even have to go over the high. We'll see how the next candles close. PL. This could be good. PL short. Let's see what we get here. That did close under the 10. So I can set that up. I can just set it up on my other ones real quick. Okay, so I have that one set up. This one I'm still waiting on. Pumping, guys, pumping. Waiting for the setup here. We have this one set up. I don't want to take MES. See that trend line break? It's nice. This is crazy right now. Oh my gosh. It's a shame we couldn't stay in that other trade earlier, huh? I think MES will be the one I take. if I take it. Something kind of like this. Yeah. 15 of them. PL not coming down. Okay, I can stay on for one more candle, you guys. And then I gotta go. But you see the setup I want, and I'm gonna take it during the workout if it sets up. Alright, let's see if I get the setup right here. It'd be this. Seven, 1.3. If I want to be really safe, I'll do 10 points.
Yeah, that's mine here. It's got a freaking chutney on there.
I don't know that we need to go below that hammer though. This looks pretty strong.
Yeah, this is more fast, that's for sure.
M and Q is just out of control. I don't really want to mess with that. MES, that's my boy. Just waiting for this candle close, and then I'm gonna hop off, guys. But I want to try to get this order set up for you. PL, I don't think we're gonna probably have to cancel that. Let's see if we get the setup right here. 5834. And 5825. And target is 5846, we'll say. 5846. 5846. Okay, 38 seconds on this candle. Let's see if we get the setup right here. I think we will. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and throw it on. Boom. And I'll just set this up in my other ones too, real quick. 35. Last one, I'll throw it in 36. Cool. All right, guys. So we have multiple orders on now. I'll keep an eye on PL too, but we haven't canceled yet. If this is a bear candle closing over the 10, then obviously we'd cancel. But I gotta run. You guys have a great day. Love you all, and talk to you soon. Take it easy.